Okay, guys. Oh my God, my face is a mess. I got my extensions put back in, as you can tell. I am hopping on real quick. I'm about to walk into Walmart, but I'm always saying let me know if you guys want me to talk about real topics, right? Divorce, life, blah, 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 blah. And so I'm driving today, had a conversation with somebody, and I'm just reminded that I need to share with you guys in hopes that maybe today you need to see it, or whenever you hop on YouTube and you happen to come across this video, you're like, I needed that. So planning this week is going great. I am still kicking booty, taking names, but I just want to remind you guys. So, many of you know that I went through a divorce, got finalized in April. You still have your good days and your bad days. So my planning side of things is still going really well. Like this morning, I have literally gotten so much done, and here in Arizona, it's 8:01 a.m. and I am like killing it. And I'm even at Walmart because I am early before the next meeting. So I'm going to go buy a TV and surprise the boys. We're going to be moving into a place, and I'm trying to prepare it before it's move-in day. So anyways, with that said, I'm just reminded, like my counselor had said, emotions are like a wave, right? So you're allowed to feel these emotions, and just remember it's a wave on the ocean and kind of you're going up and down. So after that conversation this morning, I've been crying, and I just want to show you guys, this is what it looks like, right? I didn't cry my makeup off. I decided not to wear makeup today, but it's crying. I'm crying, but I have so much good stuff going on. So much. I'm doing great with work. I'm really picking up my momentum again. I am feeling positive again. I'm getting into routines again, and I'm doing what I say I want to do. But it doesn't take emotion away. It doesn't take that there's still this level of sadness. So I got served in September last year, almost a year now, and there's still that sadness, right? There's still these things that will trigger those thoughts, regrets, the what ifs, the what were's, the how did I allow that to happen? All these things, like your brain just freaking goes floating around with those thoughts. So I just want to remind you, if you're having any of that, any of the, like, what the hell, why am I so sad? Like, they did it to me, or they hurt me, or blah, 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 or I got the short end of the stick, whatever the hell it is, right? Or if you had to walk away of something, a bad situation, or a situation that just was not serving you of where you're going in your life, it's okay to have those emotions. It's okay to just feel that it's a little rough for the moment. But, I got my crying out of the way. I'm okay now, clearly. But I thought to myself, should do a video about that. And then I was like, whatever. I don't know that people are going to want to hear all this. And then I'm like, no, to hell with it. My channel, my YouTube channel, most times it's about planning, right? But I've also promised you guys to be real about my life, and this is real about my life. So I'm going to go walk into Walmart, get the TV for the boys. I got to figure out, that's probably going to take me a week and a half to learn how to frickin' screw in a mount to the damn wall, but I'm gonna have it done by the time we move in. That stupid TV will be up, damn it. But anyways, I see you, I love you. I will give you guys a recap on my planner on I'm gonna record it on Sunday, so I'll either post it Sunday or Monday, but y'all will get alerted. If you're not getting alerted, it's because you have not subscribed to my channel with the little alert button for any time I have a new episode, so hit that button. If you know anybody that needs to see these videos for whatever damn reason you want them to see these videos, share it. Follow me on social media. But I hope you guys are having a kick-ass day. We are almost done with this week. Praise the Lord. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.